every year there's one thing that we can all agree reflects the spirit of our town and our community, and that's pancakes on the pier. Happens every year. Everybody's here for pancakes on the pier, and in this life there's nothing like pancakes on the pier.